let's take a look at some grilling in the iCombi Pro.
Now for this example, we're going to be doing some strip loin steaks, but this isn't limited just to steaks. We can also do chicken, fish, any kind of vegetables in this grilling setting.
Yeah, and for the grilling here in the iCombi Pro, it's made really easy for the operator with our intelligent cooking processes in the iCooking suite. So to get started, all I'm going to do is simply select that we're doing meat products today and that we're going to be grilling. So traditionally here, you may normally have a charred grill where you need to sear off a large number of items. You know, it could just be one tray that you're doing. It could be a large load. You could be doing it for a function, and traditionally that can take you, hours to sear off all of the products you need. Here with the iCombi Pro, we're going to load it all in at once, and we'll have our steaks done probably in as little as around 8 minutes. Cool. So our iCombi Pro is ready to load. So Joseph, I'm going to start loading these items in.
So as Chef loads those in, we're going to show that he's using the cross and stripe grill grate accessory, which is right here. And we have the cross section on one side, the stripe section on the other. This is beautiful to make sure that we ensure that we have those perfect markings for our grilling. The other thing we're using inside the unit is our core temperature probe, which comes inside all of the iCombi Pros. And it's going to be used to make sure that we calibrate, get as much information about the product so we can get the desired end results that we choose. And Chef is actually putting that core probe in right now, and all he has to do is set that, close the door, and the iCombi Pro does the rest.
All right, so now all of our steaks are loaded. We're going to come back when our steaks are ready to unload. You'll see the perfect caramelization and searing on the steak, no matter the load size. Okay, so the iCombi Pro is now signaling that our steaks have completed cooking. We can see on the screen that you also have a number of different end options to choose from. In this case, we can add more time, adjust the core temperature probe, or we can even begin a new load. All right.
So as Chef unloads these steaks, we're going to talk about how the iCooking suite helped us adjust the climate inside based on how many trays that we put in. So that's utilizing what we call I-density control. And that ensures that the climate and that environment allows us to get the perfect grill marks for our steaks, as you can see there. All these steaks have the beautiful cross mark, and we're very, very happy with these results. And as you can see, we don't have to pay anybody to do these. Usually you have to pay somebody to stand there and make sure they get the right angle, they know the hot spots on the grill. But here we have ensured that all of these steaks are perfectly marked and have nice coloration and still retain the juiciness. So I'm pretty happy with these results. What do you think, Chef?
Oh, wow. Coloration on those look beautiful. Cool. I'm sure our customers are going to be really happy. So let's get these steaks served up.